Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I have been waiting for this day ever since I purchased the item or items that is in this beautiful orange bag. Now, you guys know I just came back from Philly. I went to visit Dawn, and so Eva came as well. And so we went over to Princeton and we went to Hermes and we met up with Lula West LV. Hi girl, she's such a good friend now. I'm so happy that I got to know her. We all got to go and have tea together. And if you watched my video vlog from my Philly trip, you will have seen all of us together. It's always so much fun to get together with our fellow YouTuber friends, especially to make lasting friendships. But anyway, you guys, we bonded. We bonded. And we all are Hermes lovers, okay? And I'm not on any kind of a journey. I joke around about it, but I'm really not. Now, do I want to get another Birkin one day? If you guys are new, you might not know that I had a Birkin 35 and it was really, really heavy. But when Eva came, she brought her 30, and my goodness, there is such a difference between the Birkin 30 and 35. So I think I'm gonna go there again, but that's in the future. But I'm not really on a journey. If I have to buy it from a seller, and I know quite a few resellers that I have purchased from myself. I've purchased jewelry and also my previous Birkin. So I'm not on any kind of Birkin journey. Like, I'm not going to go in there and buy things that I don't want, although there's not a lot in there that I don't want. I'm not really a twilly girl. Now, I know people buy those for their bags. I'm not really into all the houseware things, although I think they're lovely, but I don't want to pay, I don't know how much it is for one of those Hermes throws. They're beautiful, but I would never pay that because my grandson Drew would probably throw up all over it. But anyway, guys, we had a fabulous time. We had tea. First we went to Hermes. We took our time, and Sharon is Dawn's SA, and she's wonderful, and she just spent so much time with us. And so all of us came out with an orange bag. So we're going to collaborate together. I'm going to list all my friends in the description box below, and I want you to go see what they got, and do subscribe to my friends and subscribe to me, because one of these days, I know it's going to happen. One of these days I'm going to get to 7K, you guys, and I will give an awesome prize away. I usually do a painting, but I feel like as long as it's taking me to get to 7K, I don't know, you guys tell me, do you want a painting or do you want a gift? If I ever get to 7K, I'm going to do something awesome for you guys. Alright guys, enough bribery. Bribery will get you everywhere. It did with my kids, I bribed them. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I can't wait any longer. I can't believe I've waited this long. I haven't even taken a peek. So, this is the bag that I walked away with. And when I went in there, I had in mind that I was probably going to get the click clack or just the click bracelet, the black and silver. Remember, I put that on my wish list because, well, normally on this arm I'll wear silver bracelets, and I don't have one with silver. So that's what I was thinking I was gonna get. But you guys, I was blown away with some of the things that I saw in there, so it totally steered me in a different direction. Now, Sharon, Dawn's sales associate, sent us all away with some little samples. My very favorite lipstick in the entire world is Hermes. Not because it's Hermes, but because it lasts. I bought 2 tubes, I think about 3 years ago, and 1 refill. And what I have on now is the Hermes number 11. It has lasted me for 3 years. I used 2 tubes, and they're not completely gone, and then most of my refill. So they last forever. This is my everyday color unless I'm wearing red. So I was really happy that I got some lipstick samples. So maybe I'm gonna try this dark color right here. That looks really pretty. So I think I might try this dark color right here. And it's a Rouge 85. I can't really read it without my glasses, but anyway, that's a really pretty color. Actually, all of these colors I think that I could do. So I was really happy to get that. We all got something a little bit different. And then I got a perfume sample, and I've never had any Hermes perfume, but there was one in particular that I think Laura got, or did she? I think she said she was going to get it, or she got it. I can't remember exactly, you guys. There was so much yapping going on between all of us, but I think it's called Burrito. Okay, you guys. The struggle is real after 50. All right, so this is, I can't even say it, you guys. OSMANTHEYUNNAN. Let's have a little squirt. I also got another sample when I was in there that I just picked up. And it is, I think it's called Burrito. But anyway, let's try this. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry down, and then I'll tell you what I think about it. But I'm always excited to try a new perfume, especially if I think it's one that's gonna stay with me a while. Oh wow. Oh, that smells good right from the get-go. Oh gosh, that smells so good. But anyway, we all got samples. All right, so inside of my bag, I got 2 items. And I'm really gonna have to blame Eva for this purchase because it's, like, as I said, it's not what I went in there for. Here's the booklet and the receipt here. But I'm just gonna go and tell you, I fell in love with their sterling silver. And no, all sterling silver is not the same. Their sterling silver is so fabulous. Oh, I couldn't help myself, you guys. So I got 2. Not one, but 2. Thumbnail. That's so dumb. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one. Let's open this one. Now this is something I had no intention of buying. I never had my eye on it. I'm always looking on the Hermes website and always looking at their jewelry and things like that. But this is something, when I put it on, everybody, Dawn and Eva and Laura, were all like, oh, that's a Yota. That was made for you and it looks great on you. So I'm gonna open it up right now and share with you what's in this box. I can't even talk, I'm so happy. But I just hate to open it, but it has to happen. It has to happen. And I noticed that Sharon, when she was tying these boxes, she just ties them so fast. Okay. Now, so it's in this, it feels like leather. It's probably not. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, I got a ring. A sterling silver Hermes ring. And I'm not a huge ring person. I am more than I used to be. And on this hand, this is my mom's ring, but I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna put this ring on because most of the time when I buy a ring like this, it's usually for my pointer or my middle finger, but it's open on the back, so I can wear it on any finger and it's really versatile. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. But you haven't seen the best of it yet because what's in this box complements this beautiful ring so well. You guys, I absolutely love it. And it is moving around a bit. I'm kind of cold and I've been out and about all day finishing up Christmas. But what I really like about this ring is that it is versatile and I can even wear it over here on this hand. So if I want to, I can switch it up. I like that. So, but I really bought it with the intention of wearing it over here. I mean, this is kind of my sterling silver hand and this is my gold hand. All right, I can't wait to open this one. This one, I absolutely love it, you guys. I've been lusting over Winnie's Hermes bracelet that she got when she went there, when she went to Princeton. And she and Bill, Dawn, Ed, and Eva, I believe, all went and she got that gorgeous bracelet. So I did go in there with the intention of buying a bracelet, but not a silver bracelet. So we're gonna open it up. And there it is. Now mine is not a really big one, okay? That's not what he said. But it's a toggle bracelet, and it is beautiful with this ring. Okay, so I just wanted to share it with you. There's a larger in the middle, and then on each side, and then the toggle. I love this. And I'm gonna put it on. Today I've been wearing my David Yurman citrine bracelet. So I think all of this will go really pretty together. So let me go ahead and put the bracelet on and share it with you. All right, you guys. So I took off my mom's ring and put the Hermes ring on with this bracelet. And bam. Look how pretty this bracelet is with this Yurman. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this ring. Now, this is not the ring that I was gonna get. All of my friends have the same ring. I'm not gonna say which one it is because we said it was our friendship ring. That's gonna be my next ring. I mean, I can't let the other ladies have friendship rings and me not have one, right? So I want to get this other ring, and you'll see it when some of them, I'm not going to give anything away, but when one of them particularly opens up her Hermes box. But I saw something the other day, was it the website? It may have been, where someone had layered their Hermes ring and they put the other one on top of this one, and it was beautiful. But whether I wear it by itself or just together with this bracelet, I think it's perfect. Now, this bracelet, as I said, it doesn't have like a lot of chain hanging, and that's what I liked. It's got just enough because it's not gonna fall. I tried on several sizes. I would say this is kind of a smaller bracelet. I don't know what size it is. Does it say on here on the receipt? No. But I will tell you the total or the price. Let me put my glasses back on. I'll give you prices. I just really can't stand when people won't give prices because everybody wants to know, right? Okay, so this is the Farandol bracelet, and it was $810, and then the Omasi ring, O-S-M-O-S-E, I'm sure I said it wrong, but it was $750. So $1,663 for these pieces, and you guys, this is something I will wear and cherish for years and years to come, something I can pass down to my daughter, and I'm gonna have to get that ring, and I think it'd be pretty to wear it here. I'm always looking ahead, you guys. See, I just got it, and I'm already looking ahead, but I saw so many things that I wanted, but I think I just really like the simplicity and the elegance of this bracelet. It's smaller. It's a lot smaller than the one Winnie got. She got a beautiful bracelet. But I love this one. I think it suits me, and I think it's great for stacking. As a matter of fact, today I thought I should have put on another bracelet. I like to stack my bracelets. I love a good stack. This is my gold stack that I've been wearing for years, you guys, and I sleep in them. Now sometimes I do take them off, but I do sleep in them. This is one that my daughter and this is just one of those permanent jewelry. It's not even real gold, but I've been wearing it for over a year. We went and had the permanent bracelets put on, and I love that. And this is my silver hand. Am I making sense? But you guys, I love it. I think the ring has a really nice presence, and I love the fact that this stays pretty, not tight, but snug. So it's gonna stay exactly where I want it to stay, and I think it pairs well. But anyway, you guys, that is what I picked up in Hermes. I could have gotten so many more things. I could have went wild, but I definitely have my eye on some silver earrings and that other ring. So yeah, you guys, there's gonna be more Hermes unboxings to come. And no, I'm not on a journey, but I love the brand. I don't know as much about the brand as Eva and Dawn and Laura, but I'm learning. But really, I'm just so happy with this purchase. So happy. So I would say this is my Christmas present from me to me. Merry Christmas, me. I'm just really happy about it. So you guys, that is it for today's video, and I am just very excited to see what the other girls, well, I know what they got, but I want to see it again. I want to see their videos, and I want you to meet me over there. I'm on my way now, you guys, so, you know, let's come on, let's go. Let's just go on over there. And guys, in the words of Winnie BLV, if you've watched 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of my videos, we're family. She may not say it like that, but we're family. And I want you to join my fam jam, okay? Just join my fam jam, because like I say, anything could happen, and probably will, on this channel. So this is my Hermes, double Hermes unboxing. I absolutely love this ring. Hermes, it's beautiful, and of course this is fine jewelry because it's silver. So what do you guys think about my beautiful set? I think I did well. All right guys, so that's it. I'll meet you on over there. Let's go. Click that subscribe button or else. Peace.